I was just joking, man.
Make money, take money, earn crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose fully, yeah.
House full of heroes, sold pounds of zeros.
Ish, let show the viewers what did we surprise you with?
So, HH Racing Squad surprised me with a freaking pressure washer.
We got the Sunjo.
That we've been talking about trying out for a while. And a foam cannon.
Yes, sir.
And a little
orifice. That's what it's called, you know.
That's what it's called. So we're here today.
We're gonna unbox this piece. So this one's like the best one you could get for electric, like the most pressure and everything. So it should put in work.
Hopefully.
We don't need that stuff. We're not gonna use that. Yeah, just throw that in the trash. We got our own.
Throw the whole thing.
Yeah,
come on, chug it.
Yeah, we don't need that.
What if I actually do need it? No, we don't need. Let me see. We don't need that. All these tips.
Yep.
We don't need that.
Hey, we might need that, but you know, it's okay. It's cool.
We got adapters. Plastic stuff. Yeah.
We probably gotta assemble it.
Yeah.
Some light, some light.
This is the most useless part right here.
Yeah.
Right here.
All right.
The useless part is water, right?
You know, a little bit of damage is expected. The hose. Okay.
They ain't loyal, bro.
Oh,
Pop soon.
We're mobile.
If this one impresses me thoroughly, we're gonna get it.
Yep.
All right.
Ruben, when you take my bumper, take my pressure washer.
Yes. My boy Ruben, he puts in work. All right, wait, so this one has 2,000 PSI. That's pretty good for electric pressure washer.
That is actually pretty good.
Mine's only 1,700.
Use gas?
No, this one.
I got that up. Where'd you
That
get
one's
it?
gas?
Home Depot.
That's right.
All right, guys, so in this video, we're gonna show you guys the difference between two foam cannons, all right? So let's show them the setup of what we have. So recently we purchased all the HH Race Squad. We got a Sunjo pressure washer. It pushes out like 2,000 PSI, and I'm pretty sure the GPM is, I don't know. I'll put it on the screen somewhere. I know it's a lot. It's good for electric pressure washer because that one's only 1,700. That one doesn't make a lot of pressure. But based on a little test that we did, it makes really good foam. But what we have right here is an orifice. Now, what you guys don't know is in these foam cannons, you take this fitting off right here and the orifice sits like right there. And pretty much this will basically condense the water or pressurizes the water even more to get you even better suds. Now, if you had a gas pressure washer, just leave the one that's inside. But this is a 1.1 millimeter orifice, and it really works good paired up with an electric pressure washer. So basically in this video, what we're gonna show you guys is the difference between a normal one and this little piece, what it can do if you guys are working with an electric pressure washer. And you guys will get suds just like gasoline pressure washers, and you guys will see in this next clip. Alright guys, so now we have my foam cannon, which has the smaller orifice, and we're gonna do a test on my car. I have honeydew snow foam.
We got slush puppies even though it's about to rain. And lame ass got a Gatorade over there.
I didn't know, alright? They didn't invite me to the
We gotta put them on the slush.
Well, you literally asked me what I was getting, and I said, oh, I'm getting an icy.
You should have told me,
I told you I was getting a slushy.
but you didn't tell me.
Bro, slush puppy kills again.
Yeah, it's going. Ooh, it's got the lightning.
Yeah, it's going?
Yeah.
Alright, so here we go, test one. Yo, that foam's up nice.
Really nice.
On issues with the weak ass one.
Yep.
It's
Did
a
one.
stock and modded.
And no, yours is boosted.
Yeah, boost. I put a smaller pulley on mine, and then this one is stock pulley.
Not bad.
Not bad, but you see how it's like more watery-ish.
Yeah.
Bruh, the lightning. Well, you guys can see. That one's a lot more watery. Does it show up good on camera? I mean, I
Yeah.
don't really know, but you guys, there is a fat difference between the two. Kind of weak. Alright, it's watery. Alright, and then we'll switch to mine.
And weak ass Gatorade.
That looks like shaving cream now.
Yeah. Slim, thick.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bless little ish with the better orifice inside, and then we'll completely wash the cars, and then we'll show you guys like how the foam does.
Yep.
All right, we got Tice, the Bison, Chase, the Lace, and Tyson. Tell them what should they do? They should cop a pair for sure.
You should like the video. You should like the video and
Hit the
subscribe.
thumbs up and subscribe down low, and then
Turn notifications on.
Turn notification bell on. Turn the notification.
Comment what you think my car Instagram name should be.
Yes, we need a name for Ish. Save the Ish.
Golf tutorial for Alex coming soon.
Yes. Alex SVT goes golfing.
My boy
Oh,
Tyson.
Boys.
Okay, cold start. Cold start.
Hey, whose is this?
Wait, hold on. Turn your fogs on. You can't really see him. Too bright, dog. Alright, Alex, why don't you show them what your leaf blower is?
If you guys don't have, usually I use a leaf blower, but like I don't know if I want to get the whole thing like dirty. I mean, like I don't want to get everything wet. So like an alternative would be to do a lower setting. So instead you can just like inhale some air and then just go. Yeah, let's go.
Oh, sheesh. Oh my gosh, that was too fast.
No,
Oh no, I got you.
Already?
Yeah.
Hey, have you ever heard? Wait, what am I gonna say? All right, ready?
Yeah.
Action.
Alright then, bro, I'll catch you in the next meet.
Go for it.
All right, wait, hold up. All right, ready? I'm ready. All right. Wait, I don't know if I can do this.
What's your...
Are you...
Go.
Wait, all right.
Go.
All right.
Why you laugh?